Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how we can check the all customer list using different kind of filters. So just have a look. So from the status report, I will go to the all party list. So from here, just refresh. So here you can see showing 11 records. Now I can filter group wise, area wise and assignee wise. So from the all group, so these are three groups I have created: Belgaum, Haryana and Rani. So for example, let's take Belgaum. So here you can see all this record is for the Belgaum group. So if I select Haryana, you can see Haryana's record. All group wise records you can see from here, and area wise and the assignee. So for example, let's take the Manoj. So this customer is assigned to Manoj. And if I go to the Akash, so you can see Akash record. So whatever customer assigned to the particular assignee, you can see the records from here using these filters. And you can export this from here. This report you can export to the Excel. So for example, it will come like this. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.